Okay. Show us what you got, James. Oh, gonna get stuck. Gotta turn it around. Turn it around. Oh, there's a lot of toys in the way. Whoops! Oh, you're gonna fall on your sister. Here, stand up. You're like a puppy growling, huh? Let me move the toys out of the way. Oh, there we go. Go, James, go! Yay! Yay! Oh, it's crashing. Oh my goodness.